Here is the first question. First question is First question, which of the following was an important economic measure taken by Devi Alyavai Holkar? Option here given is option here given is option here given is she implemented a standardized currency system for trade. She granted land to merchants and weavers to promote the textile industry. She imposed high import tariffs to protect local industry. D. She created a centralized banking system for agriculture finance. And correct option is B, telling that she granted land to merchants and weavers to promote textile industry. Next question, question number second is asking that which of the following best describe the scientific objective of Axiom mission 4? First, telling that conducting medical research on the effect of prolonged space travel on the human body. B option telling that testing commercial space tourism feasibility for extended orbital stay. And D option telling that developing bioengineering and material science experiment under under micro microgravity condition. And option D telling that performing robotic assembly of satellite component aboard the the ISS. And correct option is C, developing bioengineering and material science experiments under microgravity condition. And question number 3 asking that which of the following statement correctly explain why ammonia contamination in the Yamuna is more severe during winter? Option A is telling that water flow increase in winter causing higher ammonia accumulation. B telling that increase agriculture activity in winter release higher level of ammonia. C telling that lower atmospheric pressure allow ammonia to remain dissolved in water. And D option telling that cold temperatures slow down the natural oxidation of ammonia in water. Question number 4 telling that consider the following statement regarding ammonia and its source. Option A telling that ammonia is the environment and is produced both naturally and anthropogenically. Is this option is correct? Volcanic eruption release significant amount of ammonia into the atmosphere. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. Agricultural activity contribute to ammonia pollution through livestock waste and fertilizer application. So third is correct. So 1 and 3rd is correct. So option here is the D. D option is the correct. Next question, question number 5, telling that which of the following correctly describe the role of livestock farming as a major source of ammonia emission? Option A telling that ammonia emission are primary due to the digestion of the food by livestock. B option telling that livestock excrete nitrogen rich waste which volatilize into ammonia. And C telling that most ammonia in livestock farming comes from ammonia feed production rather than waste. And D telling that ammonia emission from livestock farming are negligible compared to industrial source. So here is the B is the correct, and livestock excrete nitrogen rich waste which volatilize into ammonia. Question number Question number 6 telling that consider the following statement regarding the geological history of Yamuna River. Option A telling that Yamuna was originally a tributary of the Saraswati River before shifting its course eastward. Option 2 telling that river's current alignment is primarily due to the tectonic movement during the Quaternary period. And option T telling that Yamuna flow a rift valley formation similar to the Narmada and Tapi river. Which of the statement given above are correct? Only 1 and 2 is correct, as third is not correct. Next telling that consider the next telling that consider the next telling that question number question number 7 telling that consider the following course of contributing to the hydrology of the Yamuna River: glacier meltwater, monsoonal rainfall, groundwater inflow, treated wastewater discharge, and which of the above contributes significantly to the flow of the Yamuna in slower course downward? And option A is telling that 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the 1 2 3 4 3 and 4 is the correct option. C is the correct option. Next telling that question number consider the following statement regarding the Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. The act grant the Reserve Bank of India the authority to regulate, supervise, control payment system in India. The Act allows foreign entity to operate payment system in India without requiring RBI approval. Under the Act, RBI can impose monetary penalty and revoke authorization for non-compliance with regulatory norms. How many of the above how many of the above statement are correct? So, here is the Reserve Bank of India and the Act allow for 1 and 2. One do only is the correct answer. B is the correct. Next question telling that consider the following statement consider the following statement regarding the characteristic of the Salmonella bacteria. Salmonella is a ground-negative rod-shaped bacterium that primarily infect the gastrointestinal tract. All strains of Salmonella cause severe illness in humans. Unlike in Escherichia coli, Salmonella does not survive in acidic environment. Which of the statement given above are correct? Only one C. Next is consider the following statement. Consider the following statement regarding the Salmonella outbreak in foodborne disease. Salmonella outbreak are more common in warm and humid climate due to favorable bacteria growth condition. The bacteria can be completely destroyed by refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius. Cross cross contamination between raw and cooked food is a major cause of salmonella infection. So here is the third is the correct answer. One and two. So this is the this much.